will return. We've got a highlight show here on the B-League, and it's shown every Sunday, 9:30 in the morning on GMA News TV All Sports.
Interference. Dawis. Tied at 8.
Clarence was quite a player and quite an active player.
Yeah.
He's a live wire along the sideline. He's voice operating this team. Pinakikinggan siya ng mga player. Huh? He's coaching hard. 8-all ang score natin.
Well, you know, these are the people that you really take your hats off to because they're there, you know, for the love of the sport.
Lifers no, ng volleyball.
Oo.
Parang mga hipuela, no? Si Coach Mac at si Louie. Oh, look at what the Wendy does. And that's, however, yes, it's inside. Rightfully so.
But again, no, A for effort for Wendy and Semana.
Nga pala, nakalimutan ko. May Ann nga pala yung pangalan niya. The official outfitter of the Shakey's is Axel. Walang iba. Nawala ng spunk ng laro ng ng Air Force.
Yes.
See, may listless yung laro nila. May pagod na eh. I know Clarence Esteban is trying to voice operate it, trying to rev it up. May pagod eh. These ladies have been going at it from the first set. Itong unit na to.
Oo. Actually, even Cagayan.
Tripachok taking care of matters there.
Well, she was silent there in that second set, but third set, fourth set, delivering for Cagayan.
Kanika Tipachok. No problem there. 11-8 tally. And don't forget that Mikasa is our official ball here on the Shakey's V-League. Caballejo getting it through. Had a chance of being kicked up.
It is in, said the referee. 9-11.
Tight and close as ever. 11-9 po ang bilang. 9 serving against 11 now. Wendy Semana.
Well, you know, if you're Air Force, you want to defend now and take advantage of the fact you have an Ortiz, Ayonco, and a Cabello on your front line.
Yep, that's strong wall there. But ako personally si Cabello pagod. Hindi na makagalaw eh.
Actually, it's their floor deep, their position eh, no? Yung positioning nila eh. That wasn't actually ang layo ni Judy Ann Cabalejo eh.
And I think what you're saying, it wasn't her ball talaga. Ooh, lumusot. Oh boy, splits all around. You know, volleyball is a bit of gymnastics on the floor.
That's, you know, you said that, that's really true because I remember years ago, 1990s, I would train with UST. They really have a day for gymnastics for all the players. Yeah. Coach August Santamaria was already, you know, alam na eh, that it is a bit of gymnastics.
Always ahead of his time si August, ano ha? 12-11.
So ako, taga-UP ako, hindi ako sanay. Hirap na yun.
Kahit na may college of kinetics, walang kinetics ka dyan. UST was quite a program, ano ha? Under August Santamaria. Still is, though.
For decades,
Yep. Mosi Ravenna laughs over it nowadays, but I'm sure when she was doing it, that was not funny. In the meantime, 13-11 now. As boy, Cagayan wants to finish this, but they're finding it also just as difficult.
Well, yeah, again, you know, although people were telling me prior to the game that Cagayan has a slight advantage, these are no pushovers. Now you're looking at the Air Force team. Lalaban at kung lalaban.
Which they've been doing since the opening set. Ooh, Semana unable to handle Cases. Semana, hello, baseball heave there. And that's frustrating. You're Wendy Semana, that's disappointing.
That's true.
And it had to end that way. But take nothing away from Cagayan. They are in the lead by 3. Cagayan threatening to pull away. Rising Suns ahead by 3. De Ramos. Tabaquero is rejected.
Baquero denied by De Ramos.
Wow, Yari Yonko and De Ramos teaming up for that.
Nice roof there. Nobody going through that one.
For the serve.
12-14 po ang score natin. Caballejo ang magsaserve. A lot of back row activity. Huli si Yonko.
Bawi.
Bawi-bawi. Ano? 15-12. When we get to 16, we'll have a technical timeout. Actually, it sounds nice, technical timeout. But the whole truth about it, it's a television timeout. Which was instituted about a decade ago.
Good cover.
Oh! Yan na naman, inalis yung mata sa bola eh. Confident ka sa diskarte mo, pero inalis mo yung mata mo sa bola, patay. Andaya is checking back in, or checking in for the first time.
Andaya in.
There, she's pulling out Yonko.
Keisha Andaya.
That's right.
Meron such a thing as realistic ba yun sabihin, service expert ito? Ba't ginagawa ng coaches ito?
Yeah, I feel, honestly, during my time, kasi wala pa yung ganyan eh. But I feel it's also a psychological
Message na pinadadala sa kanila.
okay, I'm bringing the serve specialist. So, kayo, ay,
Kabahan kayo.
kabahan kayo. Something like that.
This girl's got a good serve. Watch out. Okay, that's reasonable and logical, and I'll take that.
Yeah, and it's also a time to like change the momentum of the game.
Yep, put in somebody new. 16-14, however, is the hum of the count. As Cagayan Valley looking good here in the fourth.
So,